Hello beauties. So this video is a hackathon vlog. The hackathon is named RobHacks and I built Reverse Thief since the hackathon has a cybersecurity theme. Reverse Thief is basically like a quiz with the major four scams that happens. You take the quiz and then you get to know more about the types of scam and how to avoid them. So it's giving you awareness. Then after the quiz you get personalized feedback and there's also a leaderboard just for fun. I'll be showing you typical stuff that happens at the hackathon and the coding process. So let's start. React, Firebase, and Gemini for this project. So with the setup, I first start with Firebase. Created the React project, but I've not added any personal code, as you know. So I'm just going to have added the README so that I will know how to be guided. Then after the Firebase project is done, I create the web app and get the configurations that I'll add to the code. It has the configurations there. I install Firebase locally so it works. I'll only be needing Firebase for the leaderboard database, so that's all I'm using Firebase for right now here in this project. While Firebase is installing, I created the .env file where all the API keys will be, because API keys are private and they should not be committed online. So, and also creates the other pages and what I need to do for this project so I can be organized. Yay! Clear the existing code so I can just start afresh with my own code that I need and create the pages I need in the components folder. So home page, the scam pages, leaderboard pages, and the initial login page. Thing I do is routing, so I install React Router DOM, then I add all the necessary routes in app.jsx and enclose the whole app in browser router in main.jsx file. After routing, I worked on the initial page and the styling. The initial page contains some info about Reverse Thief and the user input name button. Why was it blank there? It was blank because all the other pages were empty, so they were returning nothing. So I just put placeholder code in each of them, just for now, so at least we'll see that it's working. Okay. Yeah, now it's working. Why is it to the left? I didn't clear the inputs.css file. And you just clear the original code that comes with it. So I cleared it now. It is centered. Okay, so there's nothing on the home page. I'm going to start working on the home page right now. So after doing the home page, I'm checking that the routings are the same so that I don't run into any errors. So okay, and clearing all those problems. Let me just write it normally. Okay, now the home page is ready. So after you put your username, it shows on the home page. What are these errors? What's all this? Refresh the page. That's the solution. It's clear. Quickly pressing my phone for no good reason. Yay, music. Committing changes. It's good to commit changes often so that in case you need to go back to what you did before. Committing, and it has been committed. Yay! Time to work on scam. Now I'm checking the readme to be sure again of what each page contains. This is why you should have a clear readme, so at least you'll be guided. It's in the Firestore database that I'll need for the leaderboard and the scores. Login page done. This is basic and it's just static, just like a beginner stuff. I just put basic stuff in all the pages. I'll make them dynamic with Gemini later on, just to make sure that everything is working. Okay. At this point, I took a break and I also did the Gemini API stuff, but I didn't have a video, so I just put the same video here again. I used the Gemini to get questions for the scam pages, so that's what we're seeing now. Testing it out now. Oh my god, why are there errors? What's going on? I changed the model. It's still showing errors. Apparently it was not reading the env file where the API keys are, so it was not loading. But I fixed that after I found out. So the email scam is working now. I've only integrated the Gemini with the email scam. The other ones don't have it. So that's what I'm doing right now. That's what I'm going to do. Let's get started. Committing my changes. Don't forget to always do that. Yes. So here I used CodeBuff to do the other pages. Try CodeBuff out. It's really nice. Yes. Now the other pages are done. I'm gonna check it out. What's this? Okay, it's working. What's that error? Not my business. If it's working, it's working. Okay, it's working. That's the third one, and that's the feedback. The feedback is nice. So okay, and this is the last one. Leaderboard. Time to start working on the leaderboard. So yes, I committed my changes again. So I'm done with all the scam pages. Here I created the collections for the database for the leaderboard. Generating the code for the leaderboard. Then I'll integrate Firebase with it. And updating my README as well. When I was creating the collection, I realized that when I clicked the number, it was not responding, like it wasn't allowing me to create it. So I was asking ChatGPT what's wrong. So when you click number, it's not allowing you to save. I'm deploying on Vercel, so I can at least check it out that it's working. Oh yeah, it is working. Check it out. Okay. Just winning the leaderboard to show real-time data. And I added the env file too, so that the Firebase and Gemini will work on the deployed version. Let's check it out. Okay, it's working. It wanted to play with me before. It's working now. How does it keep wasting time? Okay, now I fixed the issues. And the leaderboard is showing. It's showing real-time data now. So I'm committing the final changes. Oh, I'm done. I guess so. Just submission and demo video. Yes, I am done with the coding. Yay, let's clap for me. Subscribe, please. Wow, 1/5. And that's my score. Okay. Said at my office, so I didn't take a video of that. Sorry. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you. I'm going to do another hackathon right now. So I think I also did a video on that. Bye. Thank you.